Jai Maharaj. Welcome you all in standard 10th, 12th, and now let we start to discuss about English grammar in this first session. In 11th standard you had already learned so many functions. Now let we discuss some of these functions in a short manner, and after that we will discuss in a various functions in a different manner. Now you have already learned about the conditional function. Conditional, it is expressed if or had. Now that condition in past, it's also conditional, related to this conditional tense, conditional functions. It is also expressed in if, unless or had. It is in past, means had plus past participle we have to use. Now the third function is, we had already learned that comparing persons, place and things. Comparing means three types of degrees that we had already learned: comparison, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, that all are expressed in this function. Now after that we had already learned that showing contrast. Showing contrast means, it's a contrast means opposite condition. Opposite conditions means virodhabhas, that we discuss. It is also described by yet, but, in spite of. After that we learn offering advice. Offering advice means it's also related to the suggestion, that we give different peoples to advice and suggestion. It is also described in that way. It is also suggested by should, ought to and had better. Now after that, reporting events. Friends, you already know that reporting events means indirect speech. There are different types of rules and regulations that we have discussed in reporting events. All these rules and regulations are discussed in this function. After that we have already learned expressing choice. Choice means we have to select anything, persons and any matter. It is known as choice. કોઈ પણ એક વસ્તુ, પદાર્થ, બાબત, એની તરફ આપણે જ્યારે આપણે પોતાનું સિલેક્શન કરીએ ત્યારે ચોઇસ સાથે સંકળાયેલું છે. It is express means it related to would rather. Now expressing choice expressed with the would rather. After that we have discussed about alternative choice. This is also choice and this is also choice, but this is expressing, it expressed by would rather. Now here it is alternative choice. Alternative choice means you have two types of options, and from these two type of option you have to select only one. It is expressed by either or, neither, nor, or. Now that after that we had learned about habitual past. I mean describing habitual past. Describing habitual past means habitual actions. It's in our habit, but it's already done in past. It's also expressed by used to. After that at last we had learned about talking about purpose. Purpose means hetu, કોઈ ચોક્કસ ઇરાદો, જેને talking about purpose. This function is also expressed by so that, in order to, in order that. So friends, these are all the functions that we have discussed in 11th standard, but they are, these all the functions are basic functions you have to learn again and again. In 12th standard all these functions are repeated. All these functions are, we have to learn again, and because of this reason you have to repeat, you have to revise again and again in this way. Now after that we will discuss about conditional tenses. Okay, now we will discuss. we have discussed different functions in a different manner. Now let me start all the functions one by one. Now here I have written two functions, conditional showing condition and condition in past. These are two functions that connected with each other. Now let me see that how they connect with each other and which are the sentence pattern of this. I have also written here the sentence pattern of this. Now this conditional function is described in a two way. Here this conditional, there are three types of conditional function. These are 1, 2nd and 3rd. Now these two types are connected with conditional functions showing condition. Now first of let me see what is if. We have discussed again and again if. But what is if? if નો મતલબ છે જો અને તો જે છે બંને કન્ડિશન એટલે કે શરત બતાવે છે. જો તે મને આમંત્રણ આપશે તો હું તેના ઘરે આવીશ. તો આમંત્રણ આપશે તો these are suggested condition means શરતી વાક્ય, and because of this reason we have to use if. હવે if પ્લસ સબ્જેક્ટ મતલબ કરતા, કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિ, પ્રોનાઉન સબ્જેક્ટમાં આવે. વર્બ means it's in first type means verb. Here I have written means main verb or s or es verb means it's a present tense. In type A we have to use simple present tense. Object, this is the first sentence. I mean this if sentence is connected two sentences with each other. Now after that the another sentence, jo to, subject will, can, may plus mv means main verb plus object. આ ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈપ જે છે એની અંદર જો અહીંયા સબ્જેક્ટ અને વર્બ સાદો વર્તમાન કાળ હોય તો એના પછીનું જે પાછળનું જે વાક્ય છે અહીંયા કોમા પછીનું એની અંદર હંમેશા will, can અને may નો જ ઉપયોગ થાય અને એના પછી મેઇન વર્બનો ઉપયોગ થાય છે. મીન્સ અહીંયા એક સેન્ટેન્સ જોઈએ એના આધાર ઉપર. You run fast. You can catch the train. હવે એમાં કશું જ આપણે કરવા નથી, માત્ર ને માત્ર અહીંયા એની આગળ if મૂકવાનું છે. If you run fast, you can catch the train. Means what? જો તમે ઝડપથી દોડો તો તમે ટ્રેન પકડી શકો. તો જો અને તો શરતી વિધાનક, જો ઝડપથી દોડો તો. So this is first type conditional function. Now second type, if plus subject plus past verb, ભૂતકાળનું ક્રિયાપદ plus object. એના પછીનું જે બીજું વાક્ય છે next sentence, it's related to this. Subject plus would, could, might. કેવી રીતે બન્યું? જો અહીંયા વર્તમાન કાળ હોય તો અહીંયા વર્તમાન I mean main auxiliary verb આવે. જો અહીંયા ભૂતકાળ હોય આગળનું વાક્ય, એનું પછીનું જે વાક્ય જે આપણે બનાવવાનું હોય એની અંદર એને ભૂતકાળના auxiliary verb થાય. ભૂતકાળ એટલે would, could, might. will નું would, can નું could, may નું might. એનો ભૂતકાળ બની જાય છે. હવે એ જ વાક્યને આપણે ફરી રીતે અહીંયા જોઈએ. If you ran fast, you can નો શું થઈ જાય? could catch the train. હવે અહીંયા ભૂતકાળ થયો પણ એ ભૂતકાળનું વાક્ય છે પણ એ સમય અહીંયા આવે છે showing condition, I mean conditional function માં એનો ઉપયોગ થાય છે. એટલે અહીંયા જો ભૂતકાળ આવ્યો એટલે અહીંયા પણ ભૂતકાળ. યાદ રાખવાનું છે અહીંયા વર્તમાન, અહીંયા ભૂતકાળ, અહીંયા પણ ભૂતકાળ. બરાબર? જો તમે ઝડપથી દોડ્યા તો તમે ટ્રેન પકડી શક્યા. શરતી વાક્ય conditional. Now it's third. It is related to this second function, condition in past. Condition in past means ભૂતકાળ સાથેનો સંબંધ દર્શાવે છે કે કોઈ પણ શરતી વાક્ય જે ભૂતકાળમાં ક્રિયા બની ગઈ એની જે અહીંયા સેન્ટેન્સ પેટર્ન છે, ઇફ સબ્જેક્ટ had past participle, had plus past participle means past perfect tense. જો વાક્યની અંદર if સાથે past perfect tense હોય તો એના પછીનું જે વાક્ય છે એની અંદર આપણે જે ભૂતકાળના શબ્દો હતા would, could, might એની સાથે અહીંયા have નો ઉપયોગ આપણે કરવો પડે. might have, would have, could have પ્લસ પાસ્ટ પાર્ટિસિપલ અને ઓબ્જેક્ટ. હવે આ જ વાક્યને એ રીતે જોઈએ આપણે. અહીંયા આપણે હું અહીંયા લખું છું if you had run, ran, run. if you had run fast, કોમા. હવે એનું આપણે અહીંયા કેવી રીતે બનાવવાનું છે? સબ્જેક્ટ. સબ્જેક્ટની અંદર શું છે? you. તો અહીંયા આવી ગયો you. અહીંયા આપણે can છે એટલે could લીધું, તો એવી જ રીતે અહીંયા આપણે શું લખવાનું? could. if you could, પછી શું છે? have. you could have past participle. past participle એટલે જે પણ ક્રિયાપદ છે catch. catch નો past participle caught. you could have caught the train. હવે અહીંયા શું છે? past participle ભૂતકાળ એટલે condition in past. condition in past always expressed in past perfect tense. if you had run fast, જો તમે ઝડપથી દોડ્યા હતા, you could have caught the train. તમે ઝડપથી ટ્રેન પકડી શક્યા. means અહીંયા could, caught, have. તો આ જે છે આ એક જ જે had plus past participle only related to this function condition in past. શરતી વાક્ય પણ ભૂતકાળનું. આ સાદો ભૂતકાળ છે અહીંયા, પણ એ હંમેશા showing conditional અને આ જે condition in past means expressing condition in past. So we have completed 2 functions. Now students, you have to copy down all this in your notebook and then you have to prepare at least 10 sentences related to these functions. I have here used simple sentences. You may also use simple sentence. Do not use complex sentence that you cannot understand. Okay, now we will continue in next session. Jai Maharaj.